Hello everyone, I know it's been a while since I've made a Raspberry Pi video, but recently I've decided to try and get something working on my old Cupcade, and it wasn't working. I spent a little bit of time trying to troubleshoot it. I was having issues with the frame buffer copy, but fact of the matter is, I haven't really changed the software on this thing in years, and I don't remember how it works. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to install a fresh Retropie on there, which needs to be done by an image because I'm changing distributions. And what I needed to do here was get access to the HDMI port, because once I fresh install, the screen up here is no longer going to work. So hopefully what I'm going to do is plug the HDMI into my computer here, and that'll allow me to record everything I'm doing on the Cupcade on the computer. So let's get that started. Alrighty, so I've got my HDMI cable in here on this end, and on the other end I got it into my Elgato HD60S, so this should let me stream everything I'm up to on the computer. Alright, first boot to a Retropie image for the Pi 2/3. This is a Pi 2 I'm running. Alright. So far, so good. Okay, so following the Adafruit tutorial, which they have greatly upgraded in ease of use since the first time I did this, so kudos to them. I'm just going to configure the keyboard first. So, D-pad up, be up arrow, up, down, left, right, and then start should be 1, select should be 5, A should be left control key. And then left alt key. Okay, and we don't need any of the rest because I don't have buttons for it on the Cupcade, so we just hold a key until we skip through them. Okay, and then this should be Control or Alt. We'll go with default, so sure. We'll see if that bites me in the ass later. Okay. So let's do some configuration here. All I've got is this, so go in here. Let's get some Wi-Fi going. Just gonna go find my password first. Probably edit this part out. This keyboard over here so it's easier. host name. Don't want any conflicts. There we are, Wi-Fi country. I am in Canada. Cool. We'll come back and do an update later. No. Connecting. Perfect. So far, everything is going well. Exit. What's the next step here? All right, interfacing options I'm looking for. That's where it is. Cool. Shouldn't leave these things as the default. Too many bots scanning for them. Give it a roll to reboot and then SSH in. Alrighty, let's SSH in. And we should be able to just copy and paste from Adafruit the stuff I need to do this. Let's paste that. There, get that to fit. There we go. My bad. Alright, what do I have? Okay, 2.8 resistive. Cool. And that's number 1. And then I believe I have 1. Okay. Wait for this to finish. Now I actually have to wait the few minutes, but for you guys, you're lucky. I'm just gonna edit this waiting part out. Alrighty. So, according to the steps here, I want to say no. And then I want to say yes. Alright, I still got more stuff to do, so we're going to say no. Okay, so we need to max the volume. So also mixer. And all the way to the top. Okay. That's all I need to do in here. Escape key to save and exit. That's all I gotta do here. Cool. And now we've got to install the control software. Alright, copy and paste. Thank you for streamlining the process. There we go. And then this script download installs Retrogame. Alright, Cupcade, Gen 1 and 2. That's what I got. Let's see, if I want to reboot, say no. Okay, I think I could have just rebooted. This was if I was still building the damn thing, which I'm not. Okay, so we'll just reboot. Also helps to not be a noob. Reboot again. There we go. Alright, so the system did come up. The HDMI now goes through here. So I'm going to put my Cupcade back together before we start trying some games out, okay? So it looks like my buttons are mapped backwards. That just might have been the way I set it up a long time ago and just forgot. Should have checked before I, blew away the SD card, but here we are. Because, yeah, these are like the start and select buttons for some reason. And then this one is like A and then B. So, yeah, start. And yeah. Back. So I gotta fix that. This one doesn't need to do anything. So something really weird here. Anyways, I'm gonna go take care of that. So I think I'm just gonna try and cheat here and just reconfigure the input. So we're gonna say yes. All right, there we go. So up, down, left, right, and then start, select, and then A, B, and then we'll just keep holding for everything else. Whoa. All right, reconfigured. Everything seems to work now. I can select, I can go back. Cool. All right, now to add a ROM to the system. Just so we can see if this is all working. That's my host name. That brings up the file tree. We're gonna do one NES game, one that I own. Alrighty, so now we have that in the system. We should be able to restart Emulation Station and see NES in the carousel. Alrighty. And let's quit. Restart Emulation Station. Yes. Oh, look at that. We're on Nintendo now. Cool. Go in there. Do Super Mario. Let's see. Is the upgrade successful? Cool. Don't do much with one controller, but I think the point is made here. So there we go. Upgraded Cupcade to the latest Retropie. Thanks for watching.